Thomas, John, Aaron, Taco, Oninger, Roberado, and Girder are all a part of NASA and are trying to find a way to generate energy on Mars.
Guys, the world is ending because of global warming. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, John. We'll find a way to generate energy for human outposts.
Got it, we can use solar energy.
No, wait, we can't use solar energy because if we use solar energy, it'll be harder to get it on Mars. Instead, we can use wind energy. The question is, what do we use that needs wind energy?
We could use windmills. They use wind energy, and there's a lot of windstorms on Mars.
But what if the wind dies down and feels certain way it is?
Well, if the wind dies down, we can use a GPS tracker so we can track where it needs to go to generate the energy. We can also have a scalar waves transmitter so we can transmit the energy wirelessly from the machine to the human outposts.
What are scalar waves?
Scalar waves are waves that transmit energy wirelessly.
Well, what about wind turbines to maximize energy?
Wow, I wish I thought of that.
They're sketching ideas until they find a good one.
Guys, what if we had a windmill on top, and then we had wind turbines in the middle, and we have a box with wheels on the bottom?
Perfect, I love the idea. We can also add a backup power source in case it runs out of energy.
Great. Let's start building it now.
The NASA team goes to the mechanic specialist Gerber and gives him the blueprints.
Oh, I can build this machine, but make sure to tell the public that NASA has come up with an idea how to generate electricity on Mars.
1 week later.
I've built the machine, but you guys are going to have to figure out how to transport it to Mars.
We can use rockets, but we need to minimize the amount of time it takes to get to Mars.
Then we could go to Mars after.
Make sure you build one of these inventions, Gerger.
Okay.
We have to make sure the box with wheels on it can withstand anything on Mars.
We also have to make sure that the Mars's dust doesn't get inside of the wind turbines and clog it up.
We could make the box out of titanium steel.
We can also use a self-cleaning cleanser to clean out any dust that comes in.
How much
Would that cost altogether?
Well, according to my calculations, 3 wind turbines should cost $5.4 million, the windmill should cost $1 million, the titanium steel box should cost $1.5 million, the GPS should cost $500, the backup power supply should cost $10,000, the self-cleaning cleanser should cost $700, the scalar wave transmitter should cost $1 million, the wheels with friction should cost $50,000, so in total it would cost $10 million.
That's a lot of money.
We can use inexpensive materials.
We could also find stuff right here.
The NASA scientists found some parts of the machines and cheaper prices for the machines.
Wow, now it only costs us $4 million to make each one.
In the end.